Welcome to the third episode of LTD Living the Dream Project. We're in Hawaii. We're having the film crew from the Go Big Project filming Jokke, Sommer and Niccolo Porcella.
The Go Big Project is a high-end production company from Los Angeles. And they are here with us making an extreme sport reality show called Liftoff. The idea with the show is to have Niccolo and Jokke shifting their sports. Niccolo is bringing Jokke into the art of big wave surfing, and Jokke is building Niccolo to eventually become a wingsuit proximity flyer. Since a year and a half back, I started to fly and coach Jokke to help him improve his skills. The feeling of freedom when zooming around with your friends in the sky is unbeatable.
Like most of people think that the ocean is a huge playground, but we need to respect the ocean. We need to take it seriously. Like there can be like instant death when you least expect it, you know. So don't even dip your toes if you're not feeling secure. Chick was just waving with her hands, you know, like you can misread that easily.
To watch this beautiful place from above for sure adds an extra spice to it. One of the days in Oahu, we not only had a jump over beautiful North Shore, but we also got the opportunity to land in the backyard of surf legend Garrett McNamara.
Like Jokke just messed up my swoop, like just out here, and now I'm packing his canopy. I don't see the point in that, you know. What happened with that? What happened?
Damn, it feels good to be gangster, bro.
Garrett, he's a well-known big wave surfer, and today he was bringing me, Jokke and Niccolo to his local break for some towing surfing with his jet ski. Have Garrett driving the jet ski, pulling me into my first tow-in wave was something I will never forget. What a complete legend he is. Thank you, Garrett, for making my dream come true.